Okay, so this topic, compressors. Ito yung mga types. Reciprocating compressor, scroll compressor, centrifugal compressors. So again, reciprocating, rotary vane, and screw compressors. Ito yung mga types ng ginagamit sa refrigeration systems. Okay? So, unahin natin nga yung type of compressors. It's of the four components of vapor compression system: the compressor, the condenser, and the expansion device, and the evaporator has its own peculiar behaviors. So nakita niyo sa past, sa refrigeration cycle natin. At the same time, each component is influenced by the conditions imposed by the other members of the quartet. So a change in condenser water temperature, for example, may change the rate of refrigerant in the compressor pumps, which in turn may require the expansion valve to readjust and the refrigerant in the evaporator to change the pressure. So the compressor is first to be analyzed. Ito yung pinaka-important part ng refrigeration cycle. Kung walang compressor, walang refrigeration. So the heart, yan nga, that is the heart. So the four most common types of refrigeration compressor, siyempre yung binanggit ko na, reciprocating, screw, centrifugal, and vane compressors. Okay. So the reciprocating compressor consists of a piston moving back and forth and a cylinder with suction and discharge valve arranged to allow pumping to take place. Okay, so the screw, centrifugal, and vane compressors all use rotating elements. The screw and vane compressors are positive displacement machines, and the centrifugal compressors operate by virtue of the centrifugal force.